started on our shoulder workout. I'm going to be using these dumbbells. You can use water bottles. No excuses, just results. We're going to start with the first warm-up exercise. Watch my form, check my form. आप मेरे साथ कर सकते हो. हम लोग ये 30 seconds के लिए करेंगे. Light weights use करने हैं या water bottles. Injured लोगों के लिए भी ये बहुत exercise अच्छी रहती है. Okay, now we are going to start the second warm-up exercise or movement. Controlled movements करने हैं gravity के against, especially weight को नीचे लेते हुए. Slow. इससे हमारे joints warm up हो रहे हैं, lubricate हो रहे हैं, blood flow बढ़ रहा है muscles को. Warming up before exercise is essential to prevent injuries. Another 3 seconds to go और हम first exercise start करेंगे. क्या आप ready हैं? With your next set of dumbbells. मैं थोड़े heavy use कर रही हूँ, 3 kg use कर रही हूँ. You can use water bottles or you can use dumbbells which you will order at home right now that we are in a lockdown. Follow along with me guys. ऊपर fast लेना है, नीचे slow लेना है. Exhale करना है ऊपर जाते वक्त, inhale करना है नीचे आते वक्त. And relax. 5 मिनट में हम 30 seconds के ब्रेक भी लेंगे. Does anything beat that? I just need to sip. And in 15 seconds we start guys. No excuses for busy people anymore. Take the weights. Be ready. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Overhead press for shoulders. यही एक्सरसाइज जब जिम्स चालू थे मैं यही एक्सरसाइज के साथ मेरे शोल्डर्स का वर्कआउट स्टार्ट करती थी. One of the best exercises for all 3 heads of your deltoids, which is your shoulder muscles. I'm feeling the burn now guys. We have 10 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. 30 seconds break. Relax कर सकते हो. One of the best things that I have come up with is allocating small amounts of chunks of time to my workouts. No excuses. That's the thing. And consistency. The next exercise is going to be a front raise with a lateral raise. Please follow along. We begin. 1. इसके लिए आप वाटर बॉटल्स यूज कर सकते हैं या थोड़ी लाइटर वेट डंबल्स यूज कर सकते हैं. आप देख सकते हो आई एम यूजिंग एक्सट्रीमली लाइट वेट डंबल्स. ओवरहेड प्रेस के लिए मैंने थोड़े हेवियर यूज किए थे. इसके लिए थोड़ा लाइट बिकॉज दिस इज एन आइसोलेशन एक्सरसाइज फॉर योर शोल्डर्स. In another video I will explain to you what is an isolation and what is a compound exercise. 2 seconds more and we all deserve a break, don't we? 3 exercise down. Our third break is on. When you exercise this fast, you have to catch hold of your breath. Recuperate. 10 seconds में we are starting the next set of the same exercise. I'm going to tell you how to breathe and how slow or fast to go, which is known as a tempo when it comes to exercising. ऊपर फास्ट लेना है, नीचे स्लो जाना है. ओके, सो ऊपर जाना इज नोन एज कॉन्सेंट्रिक मूवमेंट, नीचे जाना इज नोन एज एक्सेंट्रिक मूवमेंट. कॉन्सेंट्रिक्स आर एक्सप्लोसिव, फास्टर, एंड एक्सेंट्रिक मूवमेंट negatives should be controlled. The more you take it slow, the more your muscle grows and your strength grows. And last second, we are done guys with our shoulder workout. We are going to start 30 seconds of stretching. It feels great. I am sweating, panting, and ready to go for the next one. Oh, that felt great. This is a good shoulder stretch to do. Last 10 seconds guys. कोई भी workout आप करेंगे without stretching मत कीजिए. Invitation to injury है. And this feels so damn good. A very well deserved stretch. We are done guys. See you.